Hey you guys, it's Blue Sweater TLS, and today I would like to thank you guys for the last video. Yes. This video got 41 views in only one day. So yes, thank you guys, and let's get on to the video. Yeah. Okay, so let's just fix this because I did something. And let's start. So yes.
Hello, Henry. Welcome to the wall. Some of the most cunning and notorious criminals are kept here, and now we have the infamous Henry Stickmin. You're going to be here for a long time. Grigori, take him. You wait here until self-found.
Sorry. It's fine. Boost up.
So at this point, he has only like 10 health left. And he plays, the gates are open. And I'm like, look at how much I care. I don't care. I ended up buffing up my guys and... Oh, come on. Are you serious? That was totally you. You what? Don't you accuse me. Come on, just admit it. It wasn't me.
Power jump. Yes.
Alright, boys, lunch is on me.
Do not bungee jump. Balance. You know, you think that you're gonna fall, like, cause you're not good at bouncing, but then you actually fall from that. Oi. Thick head. Thick head. Yeah, that's thick head.
Just a box.
At least he made it. SS. I didn't read that in time. Okay then. Broken rocket.
Someone just leave? Think it was Smith. Yeah, probably off to see his family.
Oops.
Yeah.
Oh, I feel like this thing up there. Sorry. Didn't see that thing there. Do that. Okay, so you got a map now.
I ended up buffing up my guys and doing...
You tried. Oh, right, I'm writing it.
I ended up buffing up my guys and doing like 70 damage.
Skyrim reference.
I ended up buffing up my guys and doing... Was that the convict? Yeah, I think so. What are we supposed to do when someone tries to escape again? I think shoot him. Ah, yes, that sounds right.
Okay. And make it. He tried. Yeah, too loud. Let's see.
Thanks. And I'm like, look at how much I care. I don't care. I ended up buffing up my guys and doing like 70 damage.
That's funny. Doo-doo-doo. Oh yeah, last night. Okay.
Camera is so bad. Okay.
Oh yeah, last night I kept facing the same deck. Oh yeah, last night I kept facing the same deck. Hey, buddy. Doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo. Oh yeah, last night I kept...
If we can get you up there, you could get in and open this door.
The force. Force is surprisingly good for you.
Quick, in here.
And magic turd.
Hold it right there, inmates.
Ow. Uh-oh. Never!
What? music is so copyrighted.
So, you say all inmate is out of cell. Yeah, some idiot must
Hey,
have opened
I
all
just
the
grabbed
doors.
these. Maybe they'll come in handy.
Are we waiting for someone, or I thought you played?
Yeah.
We'll regroup with that. There is convict here. Get down on ground. Back to your cell, inmate. What, you think that will upset me? Oh, very much so.
Thanks, I guess. Now let's get out of here.
Hey, it worked, so I'm not complaining. Yeah.
Alright, yeah, we good. Who's driving?
This will definitely be wrong.
Well, if it isn't Henry. There has not been an incident here in 50 years, and the day you show up this happens. You are going to regret everything.
Oh yeah. Gravitator. Now this.
We'll regroup with third floor. We'll help them clear out maximum security. What do you think? Duh, I like. Who get the guards?
Yes. Now I see what
Hold the
happened.
elevator? Thanks. Can you believe this inmate outbreak? Crazy, huh?
Yes, it is pretty crazy. Oh, are you guys new here?
Oh yeah, we transferred from the 8th floor.
From the cafeteria? Nice try, inmates.
And this.
You win.
Super Smash
Perfect.
Bros. Whoops, not that. Skyfield.
Oh no no!
No, no, no. Should have known. I don't know what reference that is.
Warum ist die Pferd zu klein? Was? Nein! Wow!
That. If I've known that Spider-Man.
Wo ist er?
Oh,
Sir,
yeah.
I got a message.
Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, it looks like Henry Stickman. Stickman. Yeah, Henry Stickman has escaped. You still there?
Henry Stickman.
Attention! We have an escaped convict. He's last seen heading towards the surface. Do not make me do this myself.
Turn over. This guy, cause I felt like it. Tank. Why not? Should have known. Oh, I thought he was like, you know, I was gonna lose.
Alright, he's up there somewhere. We cannot let him get through this gate. Oh, nice art.
Hello, Spike. And a sandwich. Weak little guy. Oops.
Hey, you wanna try that? I have to say, Henry, I'm impressed. Really, I am. You're the first person to escape the wall, but this is the end for you. You've got two options here, Henry.
Rock. Oh.
I have to say, Henry, I'm impressed. Really, I am.
But
You're
there's
the
only one
first
option.
person to escape the wall, but this is the end for you. You've got two options here, Henry. You stay in there,
Oh.
or you return with us back to the complex. You
Surrender?
made the right choice.
Probably a bad idea. Solitary confinement.
I have to say, Henry, I'm impressed. Really, I am. You're the first person to escape the complex. What's it going
Airbag.
to
I should have known.
stay in there,
Okay, so there must be
or
one
you
at the
return with us
very
back to the
end.
complex? What's it going to be, Henry? Well, that's just too bad. Alright, everyone back to work. I will not forget about this. This is coming out of your paycheck, all of you.
Why? Why? I did pretty good this one. No, we'll not do that. No way, I did that one already.
Warum ist die Pferd zu klein? Was? Nein! Wow!
I'm just gonna die, cause, yeah. That. And then we just gotta fail in total. And there. Five Nights at Freddy's reference. Okay. No, wait, not that one. Did we do all these ones?
Hey, you wanna try that? Those look so nice. Frosty's escaping!
Frosty's escaped. Yeah, you need a trail. Okay.
Alright, let's go. Have a good time.
Oh, this is one.
Come on now, brothers. My life for
Surprisingly worked.
Yes, hello. Henry? Where are you? In a complex called the Wall? Oh, yes, of course, sir. We'll be right there.
Sit tight. I'll let you know when we're close. Where exactly are you? Cafeteria? Okay, got the map here. Yes, there you are. Alright, how do you want to do this?
That.
Hey, Henry! It's me! Yeah, I'm undercover. Yeah, I'm here to break you out. What?
Wow. He spent 3 years undercover. What a waste. Jeez. That sucks. Yeah.
Come on, Henry, we have to go!
Okay, it's working.
Get to the airship! I need to use this to get
Working? Stick ride. Reference to stealing a diamond last episode. If you guys haven't already.
That was a
go
close
on
one,
that.
Henry. But I'm not going to pull you up. See, without you, I become the leader of the Tuppet clan again. I just wanted to look you in the eyes as I took it all back. Goodbye.
Yeah. And map. Okay.
Ahoy!
Yeah. Yes. Slingshot. Oh, was that a trick? I think that was a trick so you cricket a lot. Government.
Yeah? Oh, Henry! How's it going?
Henry.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Oh. Uh-huh. Oh, I see. Huh. Yeah, I'm flying right now, actually. Where are you?
Yeah, Charles.
Yeah, I've
Good.
heard of that place.
Actually, I'm pretty close. Yeah, I'm on a mission, but I should have some time to swing by. Yeah, just try to get outside, and I'll you know.
Hey! Where
Flash.
you going? What?
Actually,
Hey, so, I see the wall. Going outside? Nice.
I think I see you. Yeah, there's a guard in the way. I got this. Yeah, it'll be just like the old times.
Yeah.
mini helicopter. Come on, baby.
And there you go. Yeah, I'm seeing a helipad up here. Could be a pretty good place to get picked up. Once I get close, though, they'll probably raise the alarm. Oh, yeah, they see me. I'm coming in, get ready.
Get him! Hey!
Yeah! Rank International Rescue Operation. Taking a break. Oh yeah! GTA reference. Scope.
Got him!
Wait.
Oh man, that sucks.
I got the perfect plan. This is the greatest plan.
Oh man, that's just good. Gee, that's just good.
Just jump off the edge.
Wait, was that the plan? Man, we really should have coordinated that better. I mean, I was not prepared at all.
Well then, this is like the last thing. So yeah. Hope you guys like and subscribe. And yeah. Oh wait, we still have this one.
He's Grigori. Yeah, you know new one.
Oh
Henry?
wait, so wait, am I done?
He's dead. Yes. Put him with others. Okay.
Can't read with